What's good? What's good? Welcome back to Invest and Trade with Jax. We're gonna go over Fantom, guys. Our prediction looks like it's playing out here. Currently, we're sitting at 278. We're up about 0.3 on the day. We're sitting at a market cap of 7.02 billion, 24-hour volume, 550 million. Ladies and gentlemen, if you're new to Crypto.com, make sure to sign up to the world's fastest crypto growing app. You can grab one of their incredible Visa cards for free cashback in crypto, free Spotify, Netflix, Prime, travel incentives, as well as $25 just for signing up through my referral. So we came back down to 263. We created that double bottom. We have a little bit of ascending triangle going on. So if we can get back above the EMAs and we break out your targets here at 316. Now, if you're using our dollar cost average trading system, you were triggered into your trade right here. Your second buy limit was hit. So your average price is sitting right around that 277 mark. So your take profit zones are right here at the next level of resistance. And then if you want to sell 50%, maybe 25%, it's really up to you as a trader. It's not financial advice. It's just for reference, guys. I've dropped in a take profit zone right here at this level of resistance. Also right here at our previous all-time high, coming in at about 347 for Fantom. We came back down to 263 as we've been predicting here on the channel. Pretty close, came down to about 265, and we're seeing a little bit of a bounce. Bitcoin has broken out of its symmetrical triangle here and this descending brawny wedge. So I really want to see Bitcoin break 63.7. That would be massive confirmation that we're good to go. We're going to see continuation and set new all-time highs here for Bitcoin. All right, guys, so let's hop over to Fantom on the daily chart. So I talked about us coming up to the 1.618, and it was healthy for us to go through this correction, come back down to the 1.414, find support along the 20 EMA, and there's a high likelihood we're going to bounce and we're going to see that continuation back to the upside. So once we come up and we break our high, your next level is the 2 extension from our swing high pull back from September here, which is at $4.01. We have the 2.272. Now I pulled my Fibonacci here as well from this previous swing high back in May before we had our major crash correction here, and this can give us our bull run targets. So we have the 2 extension here coming in at about 625. That is my target for Fantom on this bull run. That's not saying we won't go higher and see a blow off top that could take us all the way up to the 2, and you never know, maybe all the way up to the 2.618, which is at like $20 for Fantom. But the 2 is coming in at about $10 for FTM, but I will be looking to scale out and take profits right around the $4 to $6 mark. Not all at once, but the way that I take my profits is I scale them out. So I'll sell 10, 15%. If it continues to go higher, I'll sell at the next level of resistance, and I'll keep selling. And then when it peaks and it starts coming down, I'll still be selling during that time as well, especially if I've been buying back in. So you sell on the way up and you sell on the way down, and then your average price is somewhere right in the middle of the peak there. So that's a little bit of advice for getting out before we go into a bear market. Don't hold into a bear market. I mean, to each their own, but you got to be a sucker to hold all the way into the bear market. So in the meantime, watch this ascending triangle. If we break the resistance, 316 is your target. We break our high, we start heading up to $4 for FTM. All right, guys, we just need some volume to step in here. And then, of course, if we were to lose 263, really don't think it's likely, guys. Even if Bitcoin were to hit resistance, come back for a back test of our symmetrical triangle here, which would be healthy. Fantom, in the worst case, may come back down to 263, but really don't see it coming all the way back down to our next buy zone at 235. We just need some volume to step in, break this resistance, head up to these next levels. All right, guys, big shout out to the Discord. I've been posting chart patterns like crazy with all the breakouts that have been happening, and some of the coins have absolutely soared, as well as other members of the Discord are posting chart patterns at the price of a coffee. You can sign up through the Patreon. You can check me out on IG if you'd like to, and make sure to smash that like button. Check out Crypto.com. I'll see you in the next video. Much love. Take care.